Hi, Georgia. This video is for the Pick 3 pi method variations that I do. Basically, all that system is just taking the first 6 digits of pi, so 314 and 159, and then just adding and subtracting that to see if it can tell us the next, or the potential numbers in the next 7 days. So it's basically a step-by-step guide on how to go about that process. The day that Georgia likes is Thursday. The patterns is +2, -2, +1, and -1. I also like to go back about a month to test this theory out. The Thursday, November 2nd, you had 951. 951 plus 314 is 1 plus 4 is 5. 5 plus 1 is 6. 9 plus 3 is 2, so 265. That one did not hit in the next 7 days. You also take 314 away from 951, so that's 11 minus 4, which is 7. 5 minus 1, which is 4, and 9 minus 3, which is 6. You're going to take off that 1 off the 6, and then that's going to give 547. And that one did hit on November 4th. You take the 265, which you got from over here. And then, so 265 plus 159, so 5 plus 9 is 14, keep the 4. 6 plus 5 is 11, keep the 1. 2 plus 1 is 3, so 314. You also take 159 from 265, so 15 minus 9 is 6. 6 minus 5 is 1, and then 2 minus 1 is 1, so 116. The 314 and the 116 did not hit in the next 7 days. You're also going to take that 647, which you got from over here. You're going to also add on 159. 647 plus 159. 7 plus 9 is 16. Keep the 6. 4 plus 5 is 9, and then 6 plus 1 is 7, so 796. You also subtract off the 159 from 647, so that's 17 minus 9 is 8, 14 minus 5 is 9, and 6 minus 1 is 5. So 598 and 796 did not hit in the next 7 days. You're also going to mirror that initial digit, so that 951 mirrored into 406. 406 plus 314, so 6 plus 4 is 10, keep the 0. 0 plus 1 is 1, and then 4 plus 3 is 7, so 710. You're going to add on 2 to the 7, and then that'll be 910. And then 910, I'm pretty sure, I forgot to mark it, but I'm pretty sure that 910 did hit. So, but I forget the day that it hit that week. And then you also take 710 plus 159. So 0 plus 9 is 9, and then 1 plus 5 is 6, and then 7 plus 1 is 8. So 869. That one did not hit in the next 7 days. And then 406 minus 314, so 6 minus 4 is 2. 10 minus 1 is 9, and then 4 minus 3 is 1, so 192. And then 1 minus 2, or 192 minus 2 gives 190, and again, that one did hit in the next 7 days. And one thing I want to point out right here is that normally in the workout, if you have a number show up twice, normally it's a very good indication that it's going to hit. in the next 7 days. Not always, but usually. So, and then you also take 710 minus 159. So 10 minus 9 is 1, 11 minus 5 is 6, and then 7 minus 1 is 6. So 661 and 869 did not hit in the next 7 days. You also are going to take that 192, which you got from over here, and then 2 plus 9 is 11, keep the 1. 9 plus 5 is 4, or 14, keep the 4, and then 1 plus 1 is 2, so 241. That one did not hit in the next 7 days. You're also going to subtract off 159, so 12 minus 9 is 3, 9 minus 5 is 4, and then 1 minus 1 is 0. So you add 2 to that 3, that'll give 045, and that one did hit on November 6th. Okay, so from this point, I'm not going to say what did or what did not hit. I'm just going to show you what did hit. So on November 9th, you had 237. You're going to add on the 314, so 7 plus 4 is 11, keep the 1. 3 plus 1 is 4, and then 2 plus 3 is 5, so 541. Add 1 to that second digit, and that's 551, and that one did hit on November 14th. So you also you're going to mirror the 237 right there. You're going to add on 2 plus 4, which is 6, 8 plus 1, which is 9, and then 7 plus 3, which is 0. So 096. You're going to add on 159. So 6 plus 9 is 5, or 15, keep the 5. 9 plus 5 is 14, keep the 4, and then 1 plus 0 is 1. So 145. You take 145, add 2 to the 1, and that gives 345. That did hit as a box on November 10th. And then on November 16th, you had 851. You're going to You're going to add 314, so 1 plus 4 is 5. 5 plus 1 is 6, and then 8 plus 3 is 11, so keep the 1. You're going to take that 165, subtract off 159, so 15 minus 9 is 6. 6 minus 5 is 1, and then 1 minus 1 is 0, so 016. You're going to take that 016 plus 1, so that'll give 017, and that one did hit on November 18th. You're going to mirror the 851, so 306 plus 314, so 6 plus 4 is 10, keep the 0. 0 plus 1 is 1, and then 3 plus 3 is 6, so 610. You're going to add on 1, and again that's 710. And again, that workout showed 017 twice, and again, that's a very good likelihood that that number will show up in the next 7 days. And again, not always, but usually. Okay, so you're going to mirror the 851 to 306. 306 minus 314, so 6 minus 4 is 2. 10 minus 1 is 9, and then 3 minus 3 is 0, so 092. Gonna subtract off 1 from that last digit there, and then that'll be 091. That one did hit on November 17th, and then you're gonna take 1 or add 1 onto the 2, so 093, and that one also hit on November 21st. You're going to take 092 minus 159. 12 minus 9 is 3. 9 minus 5 is 4. And then 10 minus 1 is 9. So 943. You're going to take off 2 from that middle digit, and then that's 923. And that one did hit on November 20th. you're going to also, so on November 23rd, you had, so you had 133 hit on that day. You're going to mirror the 133 to 688, so 688 plus 314. That's 8 plus 4 is 12, keep the 2, 8 plus 1 is 9, and then 6 plus 3 is 9, so 992. 992 plus 159 is going to give 041, and then take off 1 from that 0, and that's 941. That was a box hit on November 25th. And then you're also going to take off 159 from 992. And that one was 8. That was an 843. And then you're also going to subtract off 1 off the 3 and 843, and that gives 842. And that did hit on November 24th. And then, okay, sorry about that, guys. Had to adjust there. All right, so 187 hit on November 30th. You're going to take off 314, so 7 minus 4 is 3. 8 minus 1 is 7, and then 11 minus 3 is 8. So 873. You're going to add on 2 to the 3, and then that's 875, and that hit on December 3rd. All right, and then you're going to mirror that 187 to 632. 632 plus 314 is 2 plus 4, which is 6. 3 plus 1, which is 4, and then 6 plus 3, which is 9. 946, so take off 159. That is going to give 897. And then 897 minus 2 is 697. And that was a straight hit on December 2nd. So, sorry about the rush on the end there. I just have to speed it up a little bit. And then, so based on all that, the potential numbers in the next 7 days are, so 066 hit on yesterday, on Thursday. So that's the number I'm going to use. You don't necessarily have to use this number. You would just want to take one of your numbers from Thursdays. It's basically up to you on which one you want to use. In these examples, though, I did use I believe your evening draw. So not the one that draws around 11, but the one right before that. So just so you know. So 066 minus 314 is 2. So you're going to take 6 minus 4, which is 2. 6 minus 1, which is 5. And then 10 minus 3, which is 7. Subtract off 1, and then that's 652. I did circle all the numbers that are going to potentially hit in the next 7 days. I will do a brief summary at the very end as well. So, all right, so mirror the 066 to 511. I'm going to try to speed this up also, guys. You know, my phone only holds up to 20 minutes, I believe, before it shuts down. So, keep that in mind. So, 511 plus 314 gives 825. And then 825, you're going to add 2 to that first digit, that 025. And then 511 minus 314 is 207. And then 207 minus 2 off that last digit there. So you see how the 025, it showed up twice. It's a very good indication that 025 may possibly show up on the next 7 days. So you're also going to take 207, add 2 to that, and then that's 209. And then at 066, you're going to add on 314, so that's going to give 370. Add 1 to that middle digit, so 380. You're going to mirror the 066 to 511. So again, we already did the math on 825. Add 159, so that gives 974. Add 2, and then that's 174. You're going to take 066, add on the 314. Already did the math on 370. You're going to subtract off 159. That's going to give 221, and then 221 plus 1 is 222. And then you're going to also subtract off 2, which is 021. And then you're going to mirror 825, or 066 to 511. 825 plus 1 is 925. And then mirror again, so that'll give 207 minus 1 off that last digit, 206. And then 207 plus 1, which is 208. And then you're going to subtract off 159, which is 158, and then 158 minus 2, so 138. You're going to mirror again. Again, we already did the math on 825 and 974, so subtract off 1 off of 974, so 874. 511 minus 159, so that's 462. 462 minus 1 is 461. I realized after I did all the workout here that 461 did hit today, so I will cover that a little bit at the end here. And then 066 minus 314, so 6 minus 4 is 2, 6 minus 1 is 5, and then 10 minus 3 is 7, so 752. And then 752 plus 2 is 754. So again, I know I had to rush a little bit on this, but that's pretty much it. At the very end here, I'm just going to show you a brief summary of the numbers. For Georgia, you guys had quite a few here. So you'll basically need to pick out the ones that you like. Keep in mind that these numbers, they don't always hit exactly as listed, but they should get you very close to the number the potential numbers in the next 7 days that might hit. So again, they may not hit exactly like this, but they should be very close. So the numbers are 652 that may hit in the next 7 days. So 652, 209, 174, 021, 206, 138, 874, 025, 380, 925, 222, 208, 461, 754. So with that 467, like I said, that number already hit today. This one, I don't know if it's a repeater. If it is a repeater, I would probably watch it the last week of the month this month. But that's your own call, so keep that in mind. The number I like the best, if it were up to me, is 025, because that number showed up twice in the workout. So I like that one a lot. But, again, it's your choice what you want to play. One word of caution here, or just a little bit of caution here, is don't play all of these all at once. And then, again, they may not fall exactly like this, but they should get very, very close to this. All right, everyone, so that's pretty much it. If you have any questions, just let me know in the comments. And also, always let me know, like, when these numbers hit, or if you get very close. I always get very excited with that stuff, so please let me know, and that's pretty much it.